The coronavirus, California's test positivity rate dropping to 18.7%. But as the Omicron surge peaks in many areas, counties like Marin now easing back on some restrictions. And as KPX5's Andrea Nakano reports, there's a divide between those who are ready and those who believe it is too soon.
Here in Marin County, students and staff no longer have to wear masks outside at school, and there is no cap on the number of people allowed to attend outdoor and indoor events. These are slight changes, but it's a sign that Marin is changing its approach to COVID.
As a principal, at every stage, we're trying to be as least restrictive as possible.
Marin County Public Health Officer Dr. Matt Willis says so much was learned from the initial lockdown phase of the pandemic.
It's important for us to take into account a more holistic understanding of the harm of COVID-19 balanced with the harms of some of the policies that we had to put in place to prevent transmission.
Dr. Willis says Marin County is not in the endemic phase yet, but he is starting to see parallels with other respiratory illnesses such as the flu. For a county that has the highest vaccination rate in California, with more than 94% of those 5 and older fully vaccinated, the risk of severe disease and death has dropped significantly.
I think we owe it to ourselves and to our communities to recognize that while we continue to face this, and this will be with us for weeks longer, with potential surges in the future, that we're integrating a holistic view on what our policies should be so that we're protecting our mental, social, and physical health at the same time.
While some residents would like to see the shift in policy,
we cannot live like this for years and years, right? We've been far too long, all closed inside and, scared.
Others feel loosening restrictions, especially masking mandates, will be harmful.
And even though things are getting better, we're not out of the woods yet, and I firmly believe that masking is one of the ways that we can get through this together. And so I think it's important that we try to keep vigilant through all of this.
In Larkspur, Andrea Nakano, KPIX5.
And while there is no longer a limit on the number of people that can attend indoor events, masks are still required.